A well-maintained truck is not just a machine. It is a companion on the road, built to endure, designed to perform, and trusted to deliver every time. When a Scania truck is introduced to American roads, the question of maintenance becomes a topic of great interest. Known for its durability and long service intervals, Scania has built a global reputation for reliability. However, in the US, where Scania trucks are rare due to import restrictions, ensuring proper servicing and maintenance presents unique challenges. The first service of a Scania in the US is an event that draws attention from truck enthusiasts and mechanics alike. With cutting-edge technology, efficient engines, and advanced diagnostics, these trucks require specialized knowledge to maintain. Unlike American truck brands like Freightliner, Kenworth, and Peterbilt, Scania trucks are engineered with European specifications, meaning that parts availability, software updates, and service procedures differ significantly. Regular maintenance of a Scania includes oil changes, filter replacements, and inspections of crucial components such as brakes, suspension, and electronic systems. Due to the brand's focus on efficiency, Scania engines are designed with longer service intervals compared to many American counterparts. In Europe, Scania trucks can go up to 50,000 miles before requiring an oil change, depending on operating conditions and usage. However, adapting to American roads, fuels, and weather conditions may lead to slight variations in these intervals. One of the most significant concerns for Scania owners in the US is sourcing original parts and service expertise. Since Scania does not have an official dealer network in the country, mechanics trained in European truck systems must be sought out for servicing. Diagnostic tools and software updates are essential, as Scania trucks use an advanced onboard system that requires specialized equipment to access fault codes and performance data. The interior of a Scania with an intuitive dashboard that provides real-time maintenance alerts. This helps owners stay informed about upcoming service needs and potential issues. With a high-quality build and premium materials, the cabin requires minimal upkeep, beyond regular cleaning and inspections of electrical systems. Pricing for Scania maintenance in the US varies due to the challenges of sourcing parts and finding qualified service providers, while routine maintenance may be slightly higher than that of common American trucks. The trade-off comes in longevity and reliability. As Scania trucks slowly make their way into private ownership in the US, the demand for maintenance solutions will likely grow. Enthusiasts and mechanics willing to work on these European giants will continue to play a key role in keeping them roadworthy, proving that superior engineering, when properly maintained, can deliver exceptional performance across any terrain.